Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Arvinder Kaur, Assistant Professor Education, and this video is a part of 5 skill series where I'm covering essential micro teaching skills for effective classroom teaching. If you want the next video on explanation skill, blackboard writing, reinforcement, set closure, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today we will discuss skill number 1, that is your skill of introduction, or we call it as introduction skill also. Let's begin with today's first skill. This skill is all about catching learners' attention, building curiosity, and basically focusing or connecting learning with real life. Students, let me ask something. How do you select class monitor in your school? Why do we change monitor every year? What would happen if only one student decided everything in the class? You can write your answer in the comment box. I know many of you already started relating this to fairness, equality, decision making, etc. And that is exactly what an introduction do. So every topic needs one specific and good introduction in which student can relate their topic or will be able to relate himself with that topic. So the skill of induction helps a teacher in connecting with students' prior knowledge. We call it as previous knowledge testing also, PK testing, then build interest and motivation in the student. We can teach the content with logical questions. We can use logical questions in the classroom. We can use relevant teaching aid. Aid plays very important role. But please mind that your aid is not dominating your teaching. Aid which can enhance your teaching, not dominate your teaching. We can take one real classroom example. I hope you all will connect, definitely you will connect with that example, or you can recall your classroom teaching. For example, before teaching democracy in class 7th or 6th, I might ask, who makes the rules in your school? How do we ensure fairness among students? With these simple questions, students begin to connect with their school life, with the concept of democracy. This is one of the format of skill of introduction. We can call it as micro lesson plan, skill of introduction lesson plan also. So in skill of introduction, basically, as I already told you, we focus on previous knowledge testing. How much your students know about that content, so they will be able to connect with that content. So pupil teacher activities, the teacher will ask question in the classroom and definitely student will reply on that topic. When you will ask the question, then later you will announce your topic. Well student, today we will explore what democracy means for fair election. So these are the desirable components. Desirable components are those components which are essential in the classroom while teaching. So connection with the prior knowledge, as we discussed earlier, there must be a logical sequence of statement and questions. Then use of effective teaching aids, relevance of question to the topic, clear and enthusiastic delivery. Then undesirable component which you should not use in your classroom. There must be no reflection of these component in your classroom or while teaching. Lack of connection with previous knowledge, disorganized statement and ideas, use of ineffective teaching aid, asking confusing questions, improper time management. So all these components are negative components. So you have to focus on the desirable components while teaching in the classroom. Pupil teachers, remember, a strong introduction is not about the topic, it's about making student want to learn the topic. If you found this helpful, type interesting in the comment, and do not forget, I have made 5 skill videos. This is only part 1. So subscribe to learn all remaining teaching skills in a simple and practical way. So this is part 1, that is your skill of introduction. So subscribe to learn all the remaining teaching skills in a simple, practical way. Thank you for watching.